In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI. To get started, head over to the official Genspark website and create your account. This gives you access to the platform so you can begin exploring its tools right away. As you sign up, take a moment to look at the available plan options. You may see free starter credits for testing things out, along with unlimited tiers if you plan to use the platform more regularly. This is a good first step because it helps you understand what features and usage limits are available from the beginning. Once you're inside, one of the first things to notice is the model selector in the main interface. Genspark lets you switch between major language models like GPT, Claude, and Gemini. This is useful because different models may respond better depending on the kind of task you're working on. If you're comparing results, it can be helpful to run a similar prompt across more than one model and see which output fits your needs best. From there, you can begin using the super agent. This is where you type your requests in plain, natural language. You can ask general questions, give task instructions, or request research on a topic. The platform is designed to return synthesized answers and pull together information from multiple sources, which can save a lot of time when you're gathering insights or drafting content. Beyond core chat, Genspark also includes specialized AI agents for more focused work. With AI slides, you can enter text prompts, an outline, or notes about your target audience, and the tool will generate a fully formatted presentation deck that's ready for export. With AI Sheets, you can paste in raw data or simply describe the calculations you need in plain English to create tables, run analysis, and generate charts that can refresh automatically. If you're building something interactive, AI Developer lets you describe a landing page or web app concept and instantly generate, preview, and host a functional code package. And for creative projects, the multimedia tools allow you to prompt image and video generation to create custom visuals or short promotional clips.